Hello, I'm Maxwell, here with Ikon Windows today. Let's talk about sliding doors. When it comes to sliding doors, most people think they're all the same. But at Ikon, we know better. And we give you two premium options, a lift and slide and a pure vision. Starting here in the center, on one side we have our lift and slide, and on the other, the pure vision. Both stunning, both functional, but they serve very different purposes. Let me show you the difference. What you see here is a lift and slide. This door is all about powerful performance. With a quick turn of the handle, the sash lifts, allowing the panel to glide effortlessly, no matter how large or how heavy. That means airtight security when it's closed, and buttery smooth movement when it's open. It's built for big glass, big views, and year-round performance. For a sleek and modern finish, let me introduce you to the Pure Vision. This design is all about minimalism. Sleek lines, 1-inch mullions, ultra-slim profiles. The hardware virtually disappears. If you're looking for something modern, subtle, and refined, this door is designed to blur the lines between indoor and outdoor space and let your view take the spotlight. Two doors, two designs, one standard. Ikon performance and precision.